So if you recently updated to Android 13 with One UI 5.0 and you're running into some problems, or maybe some lags, or some apps doesn't really work as they should be, or maybe you have battery drain, then try these tips and maybe it will work for you. So the first trick is to go into the boot menu and clear up the cache, turn off your phone. And with these new Galaxies, if you try to go into the boot menu, then you can't really do it. I'm gonna show you right now. What you need to do is press the volume up and power button at the same time. And normally when the Samsung logo comes up, you just hold the power button up and usually goes into the boot menu. Most of the newer Samsung Galaxies doesn't really allow that anymore. I don't know why Samsung did that. So what you need to do is plug in your original earbuds or plug in a USB cable connected to your PC. So let's turn it off again. As you see right here, I have actually a micro USB with an USB-C dongle or adapter. The USB is connected to my PC already. Let's plug it in, volume up and power up. Samsung logo, let the power button off and just hold the volume up, and usually it comes into the boot menu. Now you don't need the USB cable anymore. Like I said, most of the new Samsung devices require you to connect the USB cable to the PC. So what you need to do here is use the volume keys to go down. So we need to go into wipe cache partition, press the power button, and yes, so we wipe any cache that's left from the update. And as a last option, if still you have really big problems, then you might want to come here and wipe data factory reset. But bear in mind that if you do this step, then you're gonna delete everything from your phone. So do a backup of your pictures or videos before that. So let's reboot the system. So once it's booted, then you might want to go and check if the app that you're getting problems with it's fixed or not, and check in the next 1 or 2 days if the battery problems are resolved. If not, another thing that you might want to try is go into the settings, go into apps, and choose the app that is giving you problems. Let's, for example, take Google Play services, because usually after updates, Google Play services drains a lot of battery. One thing you need to do here is first stop it, go into the storage, and again clear cache and clear the complete data from it. So clear all data. I mean, if you come here and clear all data, then you don't really need to clear the cache, because once you clear all data, cache is also gonna go. But if you don't want to clear the whole data of your app, then clear the cache first and see if the problem is resolved. Because bear in mind, if you clear all the data from that app, if you have any account to it, then of course it's gonna be gone. So you'll need to log in back to it. For example, let's take eBay, for example. You have an account on eBay. Once you clear all the data, then you'll have to re-log in into the app. And even if that still doesn't fix the problem from you, then you might want to uninstall the app completely. Of course, Google Play Store, you can't really uninstall it. For example, Amazon Flex, come here and uninstall it completely. There's no button to uninstall it here because I disabled the app to not run into the background, but once you enable it, there is an install button. For example, you see here AliExpress, it takes 152 gigabytes of my internal memory. So let's come into the AliExpress storage, and you see here cache 500 megabytes. Clear cache, and there's only 1 gigabyte of storage. Still, for AliExpress app, 1 gigabyte is way too much. So the ideal thing to do is come here and clear all the data, but then I will need to re-log in into the app. But anyway, try this fix, guys. If they didn't work for you, let me know down below in the comments. And if they worked for you, then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. Till the next one.